in the camera right now and I get myself in a selfie mode, there is something extra that you can see here. Can you see that? Can you tell me what is it? Absolutely, center stage. So if I tap here, it's gonna keep the phone in center stage. That means it's not whenever there used to be a group selfie for like 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, the third people or the fourth people popping in like this or coming in like this. With the center stage, it becomes more stabilized. Everyone can come in one frame. The same goes for video as well. If you see the video, I also have a center stage here. However, not only center stage, in video, I have something else as well. Something which is boggling. Let's understand what it is. Here in this video, if I tap and hold, just tap on the video and you're gonna get these two things. One is exposure and one is dual capture. What's dual capture? Let's see. So if I do a dual capture, it's not only the video help you see yourself as well within the Apple devices while you are shooting a video. Not only on the home screen, not only on the camera, there is a new thing that's come up. Also on the lock screen. Any kind of photo, if you go ahead and take in a spatial mode and put it on your wallpaper, something like this. I have just taken the previous people photo. You can just tap on the lock screen, go to the right, tap on plus over here, enter that spatial photo from the photos, and there you will go. It's like the photo is moving. If it's a spatial photo, it's gonna look like the photo is moving. And if it has some depth behind you, that glass icon with the time, it's gonna come like it's behind, like a 3D image. The iOS 26 was built by Apple, inspired from the Vision OS from Vision Pro. So that's gonna give you that kind of spatial 3D look, which is there completely in Vision Pro as well. So how do we feel? Did we see something new?
Yeah.
Yes?
Something.
Did we like it?
Yeah, I like it.
There are so many more things that we can do and we can learn. For such sessions like this, you can go to apple.com/today. You can enter the location India, Karnataka, Hebbal. You will be able to see the calendar of events for the next 14 days. Register yourself for a session and I'll see you again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining the session. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.